Welcome back to Polka Dot Mailbox. And if you're new, welcome. This is my very first Erin Condren planner. And I am going to use this week's bundle, Thankful, by Woodland Forest collection, with all these gorgeous embellishments and products from Pebbles, to scrapbook my first month of October. I ordered this dashboard to be able to jot some ideas down with the sticky notes. I've ordered these bookmarks as well as these compliment cards came in the kit, and I knew as soon as I saw them that I would be able to find a unique and creative way to use them. So I took the bookmark and I attached it to the compliment card, and I created a legend, a key that instead of writing every person's name down every time they had something, I would just take my name and put it in the same color so that when I have volleyball, I can see pink is me, and that means volleyball for that day. So I did that for every person, and that helped me to be able to have enough room to write in my planner. So here's some of the elements that I'm going to be decorating this month with: the rubber charms, these beautiful cardstock stickers, and these are the 6x6 cut-aparts that there are 4 sheets with wonderful sayings and cute little critters and beautiful fall colors. So I'll just remove this bookmark so that we can see the whole layout, how it exists. And one of the things that's happening for me in October is I am going to Las Vegas. So to denote the travel time of my trip, I'm just going to go and line the dates that I'm going to be gone in this washi. So that says when I leave and when I get back. So this is a very busy month for me. Believe it or not, I go back in and add more things to this even after the fact. So the idea with my planner is that every month is going to contain all of my personal appointments and those for my family. And then when I get into my weekly views, those are going to be focused specifically on my to-do lists, specifically revolving around work and business. So that'll help me stay on track of all the details that go with owning your own business. So here I'm going to play around with the idea of adding some of these cut-aparts in by punching out a square that fits really nicely. And I like that I have this punch square that fits perfectly in the boxes, but I'm actually not going to use those. I'm going to go ahead and come up with a different design. So this is, like I said, completely new to me. I have never done a planning layout before. So I'm just taking my scrapbooking experience and love of stickers and paper and just playing with it. So these are the designer sticker sheets that I ordered with my Erin Condren book, and I liked the flexibility, and I thought it was also a good value to be able to cut apart your own stickers, maybe use them as a washi, use them as a background square, use them as a side strip. The possibilities are endless, and it came with a really good variety of colors and designs. So I thought, well, I'll give that a try as a starting place. So I'm using those stickers to line the bottom of my pages as a starting point for this layout. Then I'm going to put some of these cardstock stickers on as elements that go in the book. I'm not afraid to make things hang over the edge of the page and then go back and cut them off, because I think it always looks really good. I do that a lot in my other projects, and it's something that I use. That high isn't going to stay up there. I end up playing around with it and discovering that I really prefer something different that you'll see very shortly. So that's Thanksgiving that I'm denoting there. This is perfect colors and elements and images that remind me of fall and all the things that we should be thankful for. So I had really a lot of fun playing with this, and I'm going to tuck that little mushroom underneath there, trying to fit as much stuff in as I can to this layout. In the end, I'm quite happy with how it turned out for my first attempt, and I hope you enjoy watching the process. I'll leave you to that, and I'll add any little details as they come up. So I'm using the rubber charms that come in this kit to create a little bookmark, and it's really as simple as punching out a circle and adhering it to a paper clip, tying a little bow to it, and then gluing a pumpkin in place. I wanted the pumpkin to mainly be hidden by the round circle so that I could glue an additional rubber charm to the other side, and then they would each look nice on the front and the back, and it would match. It's very simple because it's just brown and yellow, so it'll match whatever else is coming on the next page. So that was fun. And then I'm going to go ahead and add that to the bookmark that I've already created, but then I can take it out. I can use the bookmark as a legend and a key for the month of October, and then I can take out that bookmark and I can denote which week I'm on. So it's really cute and it's really handy that throughout the month I can use it each week. So that's what it looks like there. Super simple, and you could use this same idea on a card, on a scrapbook page. It's an embellishment that is good for any paper crafting project. It'd be great for a little notebook or journaling book, traveler's notebook, you name it. I'm going to go ahead and commit to putting this sticker on. I was thinking I could use this legend to move from month to month. It's got so many colors in it, and that bird is fairly neutral that hopefully it will work well going forward. And if not, I can always use one of the other compliment cards to create a new key. So here's the finishing touches. I'm really happy with how this layout turned out. It's really cute. I think it'll be actually an excellent addition to my scrapbooking, because when I want to go back and scrapbook a picture, I can look up the exact date and time that things happened. And it's a really good way of keeping track, which is something that I've always sort of struggled with. I kind of go to look to the date of the picture as it's listed digitally, but that's not always handy. So it'll be great to travel around and take this. So thanks for watching again. Like and subscribe to my channel, please. I'm so excited to create and inspire you to use your bundles, and I hope that you enjoy.